Hi there. Well, one thing's for sure, a very, very different week on the way. This week, you've probably gathered that by now. A wind will be racing across our country, coming in from a completely different direction, giving us a very different feel to things. Now, this week, the winds will be coming in from the north. Last week, we had warm winds coming from the south. This time, we'll see showers racing across the country, heavy and thundery ones as well. But there'll be also a lot of dry weather around as well. Now, we're going to turn the heat down big time from 32 in Wisley and Surrey down to 22 Celsius. And in fact, some areas will probably see temperatures even lower than that. And as I say, there'll be some shower clouds around as well. And certainly there's plenty of them today. Some pesky showers around, especially across western parts of the UK. And the Met Office is already warning that some of these showers could be very heavy indeed across some parts of southwestern England. Thunder and lightning not out of the question. The same goes for Wales too, the odd heavier shower, but also breaks in between the clouds. It's not going to be hell and damnation all the time, that's for sure. For Northern Ireland, some pretty heavy gusty showers here too. Temperatures of around about 18 degrees, so it's a little bit on the fresh side. But come a little bit further east, the weather does improve somewhat. There are some sprinkles dotted around across Scotland, but most of the time the weather should be dry. And if you're enjoying the second half of the weekend in your garden, for example, across northern England, the chances are it'll stay dry as well. The same goes for the Midlands and the southeast of the country. Could just about squeeze out temperatures in London around about the mid-20s. The last relatively warm day across the southeast. Now the showers continue into the evening hours, racing in off the Atlantic on that wind, increasing winds across the southwest. Could even be near gale force on some of those coasts, so very different feel. Some of the showers will be particularly heavy around the Irish Sea coast and also a lot cooler this night compared to the last few. Now, that's of course bye-bye high, hello low. The low stuck across the country, a weather front as well, increasing winds, and this low is going to be stuck across the country for most of the week. So Monday is going to be probably the most lively day of the week. Lots of big showers. If you start to see the clouds developing during the morning like cauliflowers, erupting like volcanoes, and then whoosh come the showers during the course of the afternoon. Thunder, lightning, hail, could even be the odd funnel cloud as well. That's not out of the question. Now, as far as Tuesday is concerned, the low pressure is still in charge of the weather across the UK. We have various weather fronts crossing the country, but it looks as though on Tuesday, since the low's a little bit further eastwards, the showers will probably be a little bit further eastwards as well. And the best of the weather, because we want to pick out some good weather as well, across northwestern Scotland and southwestern parts of the UK. Now, on Wednesday, the low's still fairly close to the country, but what we're going to find is that most of the showers are going to be across eastern coast, and also a noticeable breeze. The isobars show the direction where the wind's coming from. This is where that Nordic wind's going to be coming from, all the way from the Norwegian Sea. So showers along some of these eastern coasts. Again, the better the weather will be across more western parts of the UK. Now let's talk about something else, because we're talking about showers all the time. This weather front here, just about reaching the Republic of Ireland, will be edging very closely towards Northern Ireland on Thursday. So let's take the weather then from Thursday evening into the early hours of Friday. It's this weather front here that could be bringing some cloud and possibly some rain to places like Northern Ireland and western parts of the UK. So here it is here. By the end of the week, we've lost most of the showers across the east of the UK, but it's this weather front that may bring cloudy conditions towards western parts of the UK. So as I say, the heat wave is but a distant memory.